Want to make geography and global studies truly engaging for your students? Imagine a resource that brings countries to life right at their fingertips. Introducing World Flag Stickers. This set includes 192 unique flags, one for each independent country. They are printed on high-quality transparent PVC. Each sticker is perfectly sized at 1 inch by 0.6 inches. The sheets are 4 inches by 6 inches, making them easy to handle and store. They are self-adhesive and ready to use. These stickers are fantastic for teaching world geography and history. Use them to label maps, create interactive displays, or track countries studied. They make learning flags fun. They are also great for themed parties or events like the Olympics. The set even includes a toy passport for extra imaginative play and learning. Beyond maps, use these stickers in journals, scrapbooks, or planners. Students can decorate notebooks, binders, or even personal items. They add a vibrant, educational touch anywhere. They are perfect for creating custom flashcards or enhancing projects. Spark curiosity and celebrate diversity with every sticker placed. You get a total of 192 stickers across 6 sheets. The transparent background helps them blend seamlessly onto surfaces. They are designed for single use on clean, dry areas. Customers love their quality and how they serve as a great learning tool. Bring this versatile resource into your educational activities today. Ready to bring global learning to life? Find these World Flag stickers on Amazon or our store, sjprintstore.com now, and transform your teaching.